Welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get started on your 2018 New Year makeup. Now, I want to focus on the skin. I feel like I'm going through a phase of just really embracing my natural skin, natural makeup looks, things that enhance your features rather than creating or completely redefining makeup. Mind you, don't get me twisted, I love the dramatic eye makeups, I love the cut crease and all that stuff, but I'm going to show you guys how to get started on the new year with new, fresh, nude makeup look. Featuring Lancome. I collaborated with Lancome to come up with this really pretty nude makeup look that you guys can definitely accomplish. So if you're interested, let's get started. The first thing I like to start off with is, and this is my new discovery, this baby right here. I love this stuff. This is the Lancome Absolute Precious Cell Rose Revitalizing Lotion. That is a long name, but you know what? I don't even blame them because there's so many good things about this in one jar. It's crazy. It's like this little gel. It's like a gel consistency. It's very cooling. It relaxes my skin and revitalizes it at the same time. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Grab a cute kitten and rub it all over your face. No, I'm just kidding. Say hi, Jon Snow. Just when you think your skin is clean, it's lying to you. It's not clean. Leftover makeup and whatever from the night before, and it's just a perfect start. Use this Genifique by Lancome Youth Activating Concentrate. What I like about this is that you literally just... Next, I want to focus on reducing the texture of my skin. I'm going to go in with some of this La Base Pore Primer. It's onto Flawless Skin. I'm going to use the Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation in the color 050. Once you get that all over your face and your shirt, I'm going to take some of the concealer. Whatever's left over on your fingers, you want to go ahead and just conceal any blemishes or anything like that that you have left over. Now that I've wiped off most of the excess foundation on my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Absolute Precious Cell Lip Balm, and this is the nourishing one. I love this stuff. Not greasy, kind of like a conditioner for your lips. And this is the Tint Idole foundation stick, and I'm just gonna slightly contour a little bit. You guys know the drill. I'm just gonna set my foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Belle de Tint Natural Healthy Glow Powder in the shade 050, and I'm just gonna pack that on and just set everything in. Now that the base is done and finished, I'm gonna go in with my brows, and I want to really embrace my natural brow shape. Now I'm just gonna brush them up a little bit. I'm just gonna lightly fill them in a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the brush, just blend that in, and elongating the brow just a little bit so it frames my face nicely. This is my newfound love. This, you guys, this is a brow set by Lancome. Love this brow set. Watch it transform my brows. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna smudge out that eyeliner just a little bit. Take some cushion blush and just apply this to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to take the La Absolute Rouge lipstick in the number 262 called Imprévu, I think. I'm going to take that same cushion blush that I use on my cheeks and I'm just going to apply this right on top. Last but not least, I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. I know I shouldn't, but I'm going to apply some right on top of my lashes. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this nude makeup tutorial featuring Lancome products. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment down below, and let me know what else you guys would like to see.